Hi students, I wanted to make a quick video for you guys as a refresher on how to use Little Bird Tales. I know we have used this application in the past, but I did just want to give you a refresher before we start on these tomorrow and over the next few days. Now we will be using Little Bird Tales on our iPads and not our computers. I am doing this video on my computer, but it will look fairly similar on the iPad. It's got the same functions and same kind of setup, maybe just a little bit different. So this right here is my Little Bird Tales, and this is in the module section for day 5, and you're able to go click on it, check it out, and watch and listen to my story. Now, it's a very, very simple story I've created. I tried not to take too many ideas from you guys because I want you to be as creative as possible, and mine is just very simple, giving you the lowdown and rundown of how things should work and look like. Now, first thing you're going to do is create tale. So you want to click on that. So you can title this whatever you would like. This should be the title of your story. So in my Lino discussion, I used Fred the Duck. So we're going to say Fred's Day at the Pond. Hold on, we want to capitalize that. Fred's Day at the Pond. And the pond is the setting. As we can remember from our Lino discussion, that video I posted in our discussion. And Fred is my character. Now, I want you to put your first and last name. I'm going to put Ms. McCunn, but I do want your first and last name with the next to the by. So first thing we're going to do is I would like you guys to use your own art. I know that there is the function to upload pictures from the internet, and I know that you could do that using our safe search websites that we have used in class, but I would like to see your creativity and come up with your own drawings. Now this is going to be so much easier on the iPad. I know we've used drawing applications before, so this shouldn't be new to you. And you can use pictures from around the classroom if you want to take pictures on the iPad, but I just don't want you to upload them from the internet. I also don't want you to use all pictures from your iPad, taking them. I would like some creativity and drawings that you come up with. This will show originality and your creativeness. So first thing we're going to do is click Draw. Now this should look very, very similar on your iPad, all right? So what we can do, hold on one second, I'm going to get rid of that so we can see more of it. So first thing we're going to do is you can create a color background. Why is this being so crazy? Let's maybe move this a little bit. All right, there we go. Sorry about that. So what color we want to use, let's do a pink background. Now what I'm going to do is click the fill button. This will look exactly the same on, over here is our fill and stroke color. Now you are able to see that on the left hand side on your iPads, but on the computer it looks like it's on the right side. So our fill color is black. Let's go back to pink. And again, we can hit this fill button and there's a bright pink background. Now to delete or go back, you hit the back button. To redo, you're going to hit the right side button. Very self-explanatory. This is just like all of the drawing applications we have used in the past. Now you want to go to your stroke color. For stroke color, we would like to do, it's not letting me. So we want to go to brush right here. All right, now it goes back to stroke color. Now it won't have that same functionality on the iPad. You're just able to hit stroke color and pick whichever one you want. Let's go with the purple. I'm kind of feeling purple today. So then let's go over to our brush. Now you can change the size of the brush, larger or smaller. So there's a medium one. If we want to go even larger, we'll drag it. This is the same on your iPad. So keep that in mind. Now, if you want to add lines, see, it'll make a straight line for you. So that's good for houses or buildings, to make something of that sort. This isn't very good, but it works. Now, if we want to fill the square, let's use a green as our fill color. Oh. On the iPad, it will fill the squares that you create with the lines. You can make a box. See, it's green. That's my fill color. Now we can also do circles and ovals. I use this in my video to create a clock. Now you can also use the eraser functionality. See, our eraser is very light right now. Let's create a very big eraser. Look how nice that is. Now I know this looks really crazy, but this is just an example of how to use this application. If you go down to this clear button, it'll delete everything. But what we want to do is hit save. And once we hit save, it will save to our first page. Now, if we want to add pages, there will be a button down here at the bottom. I do want you guys to use your voices and narrate the story page by page. To do that, you're going to hit the record button. It'll be so much easier on your iPad. This is just a quick demonstration on my computer, but it'll look exactly the same to record on your iPad. After you finish the page, you will hit this green record button, and once you are done, you are going to hit stop. And then to play it, you hit the blue button, and then you can hear your voice recording. After you are all done with all of your, once you are all done with all of your pages, we will export the videos and upload them to Canvas. Now that will be posted with more information on tomorrow's Day 6 page. This is just to get you guys thinking about your little bird tails, and more information will be to come. I just wanted to jump on here and make a video for you guys to illustrate how we do this. Now we want to hit save, and it'll be saved for you each time. These will be saved under your accounts, which I know we all have, so we shouldn't have any issues signing in there. I have all of your passwords and usernames if needed. And we'll talk about this more tomorrow.